Hello, welcome. In this video we will learn how to solve system of equations. A system of equations is a collection of two or more equations with the same set of unknowns. The equations can be linear or nonlinear. The system of equations usually solved by elimination and substitution methods. In the substitution method, we remove all but one of the variables in one of the equations and then solve it. Let's see with a real-world problem. A juice bar sells apple juice A for $4 and banana blend B for $2. If Alicia bought 6 items for a total of $18, how many did she buy of each? We rewrite the problem into two equations where 4a plus 2b equals 18 is equation 1 and a plus b equals 6 is equation 2. Now, eliminate b from equation 2. Now apply the value of a in equation 1 to get the value of b as shown on the right side. In the elimination method, we rewrite the equations in terms of only one variable by either doing adding or subtracting equations from each other. To eliminate b from both equations, we take equation 2 and multiply with 2 first and apply minus before we add the two equations. From here, it is easy to find the value for a and b. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.